So the learning objectives in this chapter are: you should be able to explain the concept and characteristics of business, compare the distinctive features of business, profession, and employment, classify business activities and clarify the meaning of industry and commerce, state the various types of industry, explain the activities relating to commerce, analyze the objectives of business, describe the nature of business risks and their causes, and discuss the basic factors to be considered while starting a business.